Hey guys, the Samsung Galaxy Quantum 2 made its debut last month in Korea. This smartphone is set to launch in the international markets as the Galaxy A82 5G. A couple of days ago, the Galaxy A82 5G moniker was spotted among the devices that are set to get quarterly security updates from the brand. It confirmed that the existence of the smartphone and also suggests an imminent launch. This time, a promotional video of the smartphone has been posted online, which suggests that the phone could launch anytime soon. Max Weinbach, a popular tipster as well as a writer for Android Police, has posted a promotional video that seems to belong to the Samsung Galaxy A82 5G. The promotional video once again confirms the existence of the phone as well as confirms its moniker. Unfortunately, the promotional video does not reveal any specification of the smartphone, apart from the touting that the claims that it will have a long battery life. Considering that the company is already working on the marketing material of the Samsung Galaxy A82 5G, its launch seems imminent. When launched, the phone will be positioned above the Galaxy A82, which was announced in March this year. With the launch of the Samsung Galaxy A82 5G, the brand will have 4 A series smartphones with 5G connectivity in its lineup, with the other 3 being Galaxy A32 5G, A42 5G and the A52 5G. Although there is no official information regarding the Galaxy A82 5G specifications, we can expect it to have features similar to that of the Galaxy Quantum. The Galaxy A82 could feature a 6.7 inches AMOLED display with QHD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone could be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC and features 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. On the software side of things, we can expect it to ship with the Android 11 OS and One UI 3.1 customization, as is the case with all the new Samsung smartphones nowadays. In the terms of imaging, we can expect the phone to have a 64 megapixel primary camera along with the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 5 megapixel micro sensor. The selfie camera could be 10 megapixel unit. Galaxy A82 5G could pack a 4500 mAh battery with 25 watt fast charging. It could also have a stereo speakers and a fingerprint scanner. As the name suggests, the phone will have a 5G connectivity. Other connectivity options could include a USB Type-C port. The Galaxy A82 expected launch date is the 8th of June 2021. What do you think about this phone? Are you excited about this? Let me know in the comment section. For that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.